Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new video about the versatile world of Python. Python is one of the most powerful and programming languages today. Let's break down its key domain and why it's a must learn skill. First off, data science. Python dominates data science with libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization, and scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch for cutting-edge machine learning and AI. Python turns raw data into intelligence. Next is the automation and testing. Efficiency is key, and Python excels at automation. From simple file manipulations and web scraping to complex network automation, it handles it all. It's also a leader in testing, supporting everything from unit and integration testing to load testing. Next is the web frameworks and the OOP. When it comes to building applications, Python's web frameworks like Django, Flask, and Fast API provides a robust foundation for scalable web apps. Underpinning much of this object-oriented programming where concepts like classes help structure your code effectively. Next is the data structure and algorithms, or we call it as DSA in short. To write efficient code, you need a strong grasp of a DSA. Python makes it easy to implement complex structures like heaps, stacks, queues, hash tables, and binary search trees, along with essential sorting algorithms and recursion. Then the advanced Python concepts. Ready to level up? Python offers advanced features for professional grading code, master list comprehensions and generators for cleaner code, use decorators and closures for powerful functions, and leverage function programming tools like MapReduce and filters. Don't forget threading for concurrency and magic methods to customize how your objects behave. From basic loops to advanced AI, Python has a path for everyone. Happy learning and keep building with KnowledgeBee. And don't forget to follow for more tech insights. Thank you.